bro, if you're in a long distance relationship, you might as well just put an end to that relationship right there and there. Put an end to it, man. Just put an end to it before you just get embarrassed. I ain't gonna lie in it, but when you're in a long distance relationship, yeah, it tends to just not work out in it. Especially when there's a lot of girls and guys around that area, around your area, and you guys just talking through the phone. I ain't gonna lie in it, man. It's gonna be very tempting to cheat, especially if you're not really making physical contact. You're not there physically with the person. Heck, bro, you might as well be Tinder at this point, man. Even people on Tinder, yeah, match up, yeah, and link each other in real life. Unlike these online relationships, man. Heck, it could even be years, man. You could be in an online relationship for years, yeah, and not know that the person's actually cheating on you. Like, you know how embarrassing that is, man. It's also wasting your time and your effort with that person too. You could have potentially thought, yeah, you had like a plan for these guys, like a relationship and a family, 2 kids, all these amazing ideas, yeah, that you guys wanted to do with each other. But the one person, yeah, just had to cheat on you, yeah, just because it couldn't be patient enough to wait for you. Do you really think, yeah, if a 6'5" nigga went to your girl in it, man, and told you, yo, girl, man, come back to my place in it, man, we'll have a good time. You think she's gonna be like, no, I have a boyfriend. Vice versa to the guy, and the girl be like, yo, I want you to come over to my place, innit? We can chill, Netflix, you know what I mean? Do you think the guy's gonna say no to that? You think he's gonna say no to? Like, both sides of the genders are either getting destroyed or doing the destroying. Like, bro, they're basically saying, yeah, we can go band for band, we can go M for M. Nah, but on the real note, innit, man? If you think of a long distance relationship, man, just don't do it, innit? Just like, if you want to like meet someone online, innit, man, just say when you want to link up, innit, man. Like, just get to know the person first, innit? At least like give it a week or 2, innit, man. Like, link the person, innit? Otherwise, yeah, if it's longer than a month, innit, man, just call it a quits, man. Yeah, fam. It's just, you know what I mean, man. You waste of time.